Good morning, my sixth graders. It's Tuesday, February 1st, and here is today's lesson. I kind of goofed. And so when I posted your assignment, I posted the one where I had answered your questions. So, number one is C, 10J. Number two, 0 is greater than -3. The variable is H, the coefficient is 4, the constant is 2 because that's what's being added on. And there are two terms where 2 is a term and 4H is a term. So that's your bell ringers in review that was already done for you. So sorry about that. Then we get into multiplication as repeated addition, and we show the relationship that 4 plus 4 plus 4 means that we have three groups of 4, and 3 times 4 is 12. So if you counted, that's 4, 8, 12. So you can see what we're maybe trying to get into is the repeated addition, and we're having our groups. So this one says 5 groups of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 2. So 5 groups of 2 is 5 times 2. It's the same as saying 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. I want you to take a minute and reread that after I go over these. But so we see this with multiplication, and we see this with our variables. So this is saying S plus S plus S. So we have 3 groups of S. So 3 groups of S is 3S. So then you have some practice, and I did one for you. Again, you have 1, 2, 3. So that's 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 3 times 3. So look at this next one. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so you have 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6. So what you have really, another way to say that as multiplication is 2 groups of 6, or 2 times 6. I hope that makes sense. You can see this one's not been done for you, so you can try that one. But down here, this one's been done for you. So then on the last page, you have some examples. 3 times 9 can be read as 3 groups of 9, and it's repeated addition, 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. So this one, I don't want the answers. I want you to show me the equivalent expression. What would that look like as multiplication? So here we have repeated addition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6 groups of 3, so that's 6 times 3. This one, you have 2 different numbers. You have 4 groups of 6 plus 3 groups of 4. And that's all I want you to write. I don't want to know what it equals. Then you get into your A plus A plus A. Think about how we show multiplication. Look at slide 4 if you need help, or message me. And then it comes down to multiplication. So you have your repeated multiplication. You have 4 groups of 6, or 4 times 6. So that means 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Then down here, you have your repeated, just like you would do something like here. How many D's do you have? How many W's do you have? And write that as multiplication and addition. So what I mean by that is you have 3 groups of D, so that's 3D, plus you have 4 groups of W, or 4W. That means 3 times D plus 4 times W. Then on this one where it says 6Y, that means you have 6 groups of Y. How would you write that? As addition. This one is addition. How would you write that as multiplication? So you just swap the order. And then it says, write an equivalent expression to show the relationship of multiplication and addition. So once again, you have J plus J plus J plus J plus J. And so I want to know, what does that look like as multiplication? Number 2 says 4H, which is 4 times H, or 4 groups of H. What would that look like as repeated addition? And then number 3 is true or false. Is 5U equal to U plus U plus U plus U plus U plus U? And so you're going to write true or false for number 3. I hope that makes sense. Reach out to me if you need any help, and I'll see you hopefully very soon. I hope you're feeling okay, and let me know if you need any help.